Walk through the hard year 2021. We come to the new year 2022. Happy New Year, guys! Still, iPhone's problem will not be solved with the new year come. I realize there are still many people who have the issue that iPhone stuck on support.apple.com/iPhone/restore interface. Or you can call it restore screen recovery mode. They try many ways but still can't fix that issue. But hey, don't worry. I know 5 ways that can actually fix the issue. Just follow me and you will know. Method 1. Fix with ReiBoot. This is the most efficient way. I suggest your guys try this. Just connect your iPhone to PC. Then open ReiBoot. Click the Exit Recovery Mode option and wait for a little while. Then you can see my iPhone is out of the restore screen. It is very easy. Go give it a try. Method 2. Force restart. A reboot might fix the issue. So let's try it. Press the volume up and press the volume down button. Then press and hold the power button. Keep holding till the Apple logo appears. If everything goes right, it should be normal again. If it is not, it will return to restore screen like this. If this happens on your iPhone too, you need to follow the next 3 methods to fix it. Method 3. Fix with iTunes. iTunes is able to fix this issue in normal situations. Connect your iPhone to PC or Mac. Open iTunes. You will see iTunes pop up a window that tells you your iPhone needs to be restored or updated. Click Updated here. It will start to download the firmware. Wait for it complete. Then it will start update your iPhone, along with fixing the problem. I know many of your guys are not comfortable with using iTunes, so follow the next method. It works perfectly well on support.apple.com/iPhone/restore issue and won't cause you any data loss. Method 4. iOS system repair. Check the download link in the description and download ReiBoot. Open ReiBoot and connect your iPhone to PC or Mac. Click the green Start button. Click Standard Repair. Here will require a download. Just click it. Be patient. Wait for the download complete. It won't be long. Then click Start Standard Repair. The repair process might take some time. Be patient and do not disconnect your iPhone during the process, or it won't work. When it is done, you can see my iPhone is back to its normal state. Go try it on. If none of the above methods work on your iPhone, you should try the last method. It will completely clear your iPhone to its original state. Do remember to back up your iPhone. Method 5. iOS System Repair, Deep Repair. Click the green Start button. Click Deep Repair this time. Here also require a download. I will skip the download process. Click Start Deep Repair. This process also takes some time. Be patient. Do not disconnect during the process. When the process is over, you can see the iPhone is back to normal again. You can access it without any problem. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you succeed in one of the methods. I will be grateful if you subscribe. Stay tuned for our next videos.